Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to leave a comment in JavaScript. Now this is going to be super important, especially if you're working on longer JavaScript programs or if multiple programmers are working on the same project. You got to be able to put comments in there. Now comments are basically pieces of text that have no effect on the program. This is going to be something that the computer completely skips over but is shown there to leave messages to other programmers or to yourself. If you look, anything I type on here is black, or some of these are blue or orange, depending on their function. But if we want to leave a comment, we can go // and then this is a comment. Now it's going to be in gray, and so the gray lets you know that the computer is not going to read it. It's going to skip it over. And if we skip to the next line, we're back to black. Now there is also a way to do multi-line comments, and this you would do a slash and an asterisk, or a star, or whatever you want to call it. And then I can type, I can go down multiple lines, it's all going to stay gray until I end it with the reverse, an asterisk, and then a slash. And then now we're back to normal. So that's how you leave a comment. It's going to come in handy, especially as you get deeper into JavaScript.